the abolition of Jamindari system, children. You remember anything about the Jamindari system? We ended up with the Land Ceiling Act of 1972 to 1975. You remember it? According to the Land Ceiling Act, how many acres of land a unit of family, family means 5 members family, how much of land it should own was mentioned. So as a result of that, large piece of land was declared as a surplus land and was taken over by the government. But most of the land was unirrigated. That means they don't have proper facility of cultivation. So that land was declared as a surplus and was taken over by the government. Later, government has redistributed it to the poor people, the landless peasants. So that was the entire story where we learnt about the abolition of Jamindari system and results of land reforms. Today, we move on to the new unit called as Understanding Poverty, children. Understanding Poverty. So, what is poverty? Poverty bole to? Poverty is nothing but poorness, garibi is called as poverty. So, how to answer this? How to understand this poverty? We shall see under this unit called as Understanding of Poverty. So, with a example, I start with a distress. Okay, the distress bole to he doesn't want to, the feeling of he doesn't want to live a life where he can end up his life. So, such kind of distress you find in most of the rural areas. So, where Ramachari worked as a carpenter in the village in Nalgonda district. He used it to make tools and implements for the farmers in the village. He is a carpenter. He used to work repairing the tools and the implements of the farmers. He had no land or cattle. ये रामाचारी कारपेंटर है और इसके पास कुछ लैंड नहीं था और इसके पास कैटल भी नहीं है. And though Ramachari was not a farmer, his well-being depended upon the farming activities of the village. ये फार्मर तो नहीं है मगर फार्मिंग अच्छे चले तो इसका काम भी अच्छा चलता. अगर फार्मिंग इम्प्लीमेंट्स फार्मिंग अच्छा नहीं चले समझो then he also will suffer. So he is dependent upon the farming activities. Till a few years back, okay, बहुत थोड़े सालों से पहले रामाचारी वुड गेट 40 क्लाइंट्स. ओके, 40 क्लाइंट्स बोले थे उसका कस्टमर्स जो है आते थे. मोस्ट ऑफ देम वर फार्मर्स. सभी लोग जो इनके पास आते थे वो सभी लोग फार्मर्स ही थे और उन लोगों का इम्प्लीमेंट्स और टूल्स जो है उन लोगों का टूल्स को रिपेयर करता था. सो और रिपेयर करने से वट एवर दे पेड हिम वॉज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पैडी. So each gave him 70 kgs of paddy a year, of which 2,800 kgs he got this way. ये 40 लोगों से कितना पैडी आता था इसके पास? 2,800 kgs of paddy he used to get. So he kept what his family required and the rest he used to sell it in the market. He usually used to get 375 rupees per kg for 70 kgs of paddy, and this was some years ago. But now, after retaining what his family required, he used to sell and he could make some 8,000 rupees in a year. With that, he looked after the family. It was till some years ago. But now, trouble started when agricultural operation began to change. What was that change? The entry of 12 tractors in the village has reduced his work. Tractors आ गए. पहले प्लो था, ट्रेडिशनल मेथड ऑफ कल्टीवेशन था, बुलक कार्ट था. ओके, इसके वजह से इसको काम मिलता था. मगर अब ट्रैक्टर आने के बाद कितने ट्रैक्टर्स आ गए विलेज में? 12 ट्रैक्टर्स हैव कम इनटू द विलेज. दैट हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड हिज अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ वर्किंग. लार्ज एंड मीडियम फार्मर्स वर हायरिंग द ट्रैक्टर्स. हायरिंग बोले तो रेंट पे लेके उन लोगों से काम चला रहे. एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन व्हाट इज द impact of technology on agriculture. However, that was not all. For small farmers in the village, farming was getting more and more difficult because of many other circumstances. The canal dried up and there was no water for irrigation. To dig bore wells and buy seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, farmers had to take loans at a high rate of interest. So repayment was difficult and more. So when the crops failed, so in Ramachari's village, the villagers lost over 30 bullocks in distress sales. They have sold their bullocks also. Bullocks मालूम है नहीं? Okay. So binds. So they have sold those all. एंड दैट मेंट लेस वर्क फॉर रामाचारी। सर वो बुलक्स भेजने से इसको क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, वो रहते हुए इसको काम मिलती, वो बुलक्स रहे तो बुलक काट रही थी, बुलक काट रहे तो ये चीज़ को काम मिलती, अगर बुलक सिच नहीं है, बुलक काट नहीं रहती और इसको काम नहीं मिलती। सो दिस ऑल meant that there was a decrease in the work, reduced work for the Ramachari work. So we shall see about the story of Ramachari in the next class, children. Till then, take care. Okay, we'll see in the next class. Thank you, children.